नमस्कार, जय सुरक्षा। Respected dais, dignitaries on the dais, off the dais, on the dais, respected officers sir, then Sri Vishal Sharma ji, Executive Director and CEO of Godrej Industries Limited, my friend Mr. Raj, then Mr. Kanam, who is leading today's program, all respected representatives of the factories, owners of the factories, then those who are coming from the different sectors, also my colleague Mrs. Archana Nanare, Mrs. Sneha Patil, staff of this Lalit Hotel, then all team members of this World Safety Organization, media person, ladies and gentlemen, on behalf of Directorate of Industrial Safety and Health and World Safety Organization, myself Ram Bhagirathi Bhai Digambar Daifole, working as Additional Director in this department, Government of Maharashtra, I welcome you this warm morning. As you know, our directorate, that is Directorate of Industrial Safety and Health, working under the leadership of Honorable Akash Kulkar Sahib, Cabinet Minister, Sri Ashish Jaiswal Sahib, State Minister of Labour, Government of Maharashtra, our Honorable Secretary I.A. Kundan Madam, then our Honorable Director in charge, Mr. Sri Deepak Kokale sir, and you all know, we are enforcing Factories Act 1948 and rule made thereunder, that is Maharashtra Factory Rules 1963. So this is the social act, and which is taking care of the working hours, safety, occupational health, welfare of the workers working in the registered factory across the Maharashtra. As all of you know, this Factories Act 1948, but the first Factories Act came into force in 1881, and since then, time to time, this amendment happened, and at present we are enforcing Factories Act 1948. So here, as you are directly or indirectly working or related to the manufacturing process. If your manufacturing process, that is workplace, is safe, your worker will be safe, and if your worker will be safe, your factory will be safe. So I appeal from this forum, whatever you will learn here through this synopsis and some PPE arrangements or displays are there, and whatever the good things you will come across, you will exchange your ideas, your thoughts about safety, health, and for betterment of your workplaces. You have to take away with you, and you have to give to your management and try to implement to your workforce also. So at least you have to prevent one near miss, one unsafe condition or one unsafe act, or you can prevent at least one accident in year. Then I will be say such type of programs take away you have taken really, because accident is not adding cost to anybody. It will be after accident or after some dangerous occurrence, your normal working conditions will be not stable, and there may be the panic in your people, in your workforce. Then some inquiries may you have to face, some legal action may you have to face. So it is one slogan: prevention is better than cure. So you have to try to prevent, try to follow all SOPs, whatever the made for the safety of your workforce, safety of your factory, and safety of your human beings. So I appeal again, in coming days, coming years, we are going to become a Vikasit Bharat, and I appeal from this forum, you have to contribute for achieving this goal by achieving the safety, achieving the good working conditions, and try to contribute in this goal by yourself. Again, I wish all of you for coming colorful Diwali celebration. Then I also congratulate winners of today's winners of this safety awards organized by this World Safety Organization, and also I give my best wishes to those who have participated but couldn't get the number in final list. They have to focus more for the coming days. Again, I thank Mr. Raj and Mr. Kanan who give me the chance to come here, and they have initiated me, and they have given me the chance to speak before you, and I also thank all of you for listening me. Whatever the good things you have to take away, whatever the you don't like, you have to keep here or give back to me. But I appeal to each and every person who are present here. We have to prevent, because we are the responsible for our workforce, for our organization, for our factory, and we have to, whatever the knowledge with you, you have to give to your workforce, those who are working at grassroots level. You have to tell them, you are telling them about your manufacturing, about your product, about that quality, but also along with that things, you have to focus on the safety, because safety is important to each and everybody, those who are existing on this globe. Where it may be, safety is must, but at manufacturing process, at manufacturing place, you know, there is a special environment, because at the manufacturing process, man, machine and material come together, and we are in the era of ease of doing business and ease of doing. And at present, as you know, use of technology is increased very tremendously, very widely. And as also you all know, today's technology will become old for tomorrow. And because of huge, high and integrated machines, technologies are coming in the market and coming for us for the manufacturing process, and along that, risk, hazard are also there. And so, man behind that machine, we have to take care of him. If he is safe, we are safe. And if he is safe, and then the programs like this, we will celebrate, and it will be very happy. And if accidents are taking place and we are celebrating this, then there will be no use. So again, I appeal to all of you, we have to protect our workforce, and then it will be honor for us, because till the date nobody get me or nobody meet me who will tell me accidents are very good for us, because accidents once happen, then all consequences, all development I have already described, legal action, penalties, the inquiries, and then though you are compensating with the affected person, who is the injured, but till the date जो भी रहता है, कोई किसी का भाई बहन, माँ बाप का बेटा रहता है, किसी का बच्चा रहता है, तो वो अगर बन जाता है और वो अपन कितना भी पैसा देंगे या कितना भी कॉम्पेंसेट करेंगे, कॉम्पेंसेशन देंगे, एक्सग्रेशिया देंगे, तो भी वो वापस नहीं आता है. सो प्रिवेंशन इज बेटर देन केयर. आई होप यू विल टेक अवे दिस and from going here you will be checked whatever the unsafe act, whatever the unsafe condition, whatever the near misses, you will be discuss along with your workforce, along with your management, and you will be prevent these things. Then and then you will be really such type of प्रोग्राम्स का जो भी लाभ है वो मैं समझूंगा कि ये आपने सही मात्रा में उसका उपयोग हो रहा है. सो फिर से एक बार आप सभी को आने वाले दिवाली की शुभकामना देते हुए मेरे 2 शब्द यहाँ पर मेरे वाणी को पूर्ण विराम देता हूँ और आप सभी लोगों को सुरक्षित और आरोग्यदायी भविष्य के लिए शुभकामना देते हुए मैं मेरे 2 शब्द समाप्त करता हूँ. और मुझे यहाँ बुलाने के लिए और 2 शब्द बात करने के लिए मैं श्री राज सर और कानन सर का आभार व्यक्त करता हूं और सभी लोगों को अभी धन्यवाद देता हूं और मेरी वाणी को विराम देता हूं. जय हिंद, जय महाराष्ट्र, जय सुरक्षा. धन्यवाद.